What's up, YouTube? Y'all see us over here on the Monte Carlo. I'm gonna try to do me a quick little fix, hopefully. Try some JB Well at first, but I wound up messing with it and it broke back off. So y'all see we got our stud right here. I'm gonna try to tack them back in place, see if we could do that. So I got it grinded already. We'll be using that Lincoln welding machine. Y'all comment, like, share, subscribe, baby. Y'all know we coming back with plenty more. Y'all see him? Texture a little rough, but once we what you call it with that, we should be good, huh? Y'all let me know in the comments. Alright, YouTube, y'all see, gang. Another one bites the dust, baby. Probably could have got me another tag somewhere, but right there, but we good. Got the little baby, got the big baby crying. Let me go check on that. Holler at y'all later, gang. See what's down with that. Alright, gang. So I was actually looking at the rest of them. Y'all see how this one here is up on an angle, but same as our other side. I had put some Gorilla Glue behind these yesterday, trying to hold that other one, but y'all saw the route that we choose. Looking at all the other ones, I mean, it probably wouldn't be bad to tack them, but I'm just gonna take my time with them. Like I was saying, this one here is up on that same angle as my other side, so I'm gonna go ahead on, and I'm gonna throw my back bumper on. We did get all the seals and all the trim and all of that. Been messing with that too, gang. So comment, like, share. Coming back with plenty more scramble. Alright, my little one saying we got a package. Let's go see what we got. No, we do got some package time. We do. We do have a few packages here. I knew we were getting something else today. Alright, gang. Let's get this here side started like we got the other one started. You wanna ride it? Who wanna ride in this car? Me. Alright, YouTube, so here goes one of those packages that came. You'll see we got a V-band there. I will weld on the flames. Blow off valve here. See it. Looking nice and good. Blow off valve. Got ring. Got our fittings. See that? So there's one of the packages that came. Alright, gang. So we got another one right here. See him opened up. Let's see what this is. Alright, gang. This here. Our other one. This is our other one. You heard me? It's our other one right here, gang. Y'all see it, baby? We got the whistle. Gang. Big turbo. Hey. Yes, sir. I'm glad Swaps. Shout out Swaps and stuff. I'm glad Swaps actually sent this because, you know, this gonna go ahead and match good with that right there. And you know, part of the whistle game, baby. Don't they look like twins? Oh, yeah. Coming to your nearest theater, baby. Tune, lock, and loaded. Comment, share, like, subscribe. We gone, gang.